Armando.
Oh, fuck Armando, I'll cut that bitch out.
Dang, bro.
Probably not.
Bruh.
Oh, shit. Yes.
Bruh.
No, oh god, I'm vomiting.
Cause I mean, I gotta.
Bruh.
I mean, I don't catalog and shit's a little
Bruh.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Oh, that was Zach.
Bruh.
Sorry, NCO.
It's okay, I'm just eating pizza.
You know, me and the fucking back.
Bruh.
Oh wow.
Bruh.
I got
Bruh.
Who's a partner?
Oh, no.
Bruh.
Wait, is there a team killing in this?
Bruh.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
So that might be me.
Bruh.
I'll turn him down here in a second.
Bruh.
Where'd he go?
The guy looking at me with a map. So what am I supposed to do?
Bruh. Bruh.
No, he's here.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Fucking try hard.
Bruh.
Oh,
Armando, behind you.
Bruh.
I'll be back.
Bruh.
There's no way. What?
Bruh.
Bitch. Oh my god.
Bruh. Bruh.
Nuke office, bruh? Why?
what
Why?
did you put on nuke office?
Oh.
No, take office cash off. Cash is
I'm
alright.
gonna do
Take
terrible.
office out of there. Take office out of there. Put on Mirage, bro. Take office out. Put Mirage
This
on.
dude's mic sucks so.
Put Mirage on.
Fuck Mirage. I hate Mirage.
What? You hate Mirage?
I hate Mirage. It's like my second least favorite.
Really?
Cause it's so every fucking down mid you get sniped no matter what. You try to go down through apartments. Well, apartments you're gonna get lit up from every imaginable angle as soon as you peek. You try to go down the stairs through that. There's gonna be people on cat right above you or in the window to your right. If you try to go you try to go through Palace. They're all watching Palace. You try to go through Underpass beside Palace. They're all watching that. There's no fucking way to play as a terrorist on there.
Bruh.
Bobby left the party. Fucking.
Bruh.
That wasn't it.
Bruh.
I'm gonna go. Get the fuck off. Secret?
Bruh.
They're all secret. What secret? B. B.
They planted.
Where the fuck am I supposed to go?
Oh god. No. There's no point. Get back, Carson.
How the fuck do I get through?
Oh, nice to know.
It's gone.
Yeah.
They're gonna come up those ramps behind you, said. Yeah. I guess it's
I'm surprised they got out of there if you were right on it.
Bro, when I'm knifing, don't go in front of me.
Don't knife when you're
Just
behind.
don't knife. Yeah, just don't
I
knife.
have to knife.
Throw it
I
out.
have to, bro.
Damn it, dude.
Bruh.
He rushed me. One's on top of catwalk.
Coming through hut.
Bruh.
Find it.
Bruh.
Nice.
There's no way I can win that.
Dang. Bro, where's this Armando guy at?
Yeah, I don't hear any callouts, but
Crap.
some people just
Probably
don't
because
win.
he's muted, so.
They're below you in double doors. Right below you.
It's just me? I'm not winning
Yeah.
this.
Just to your left. Outside.
Bruh.
All us bomb dropped outside.
Come on.
Whoa, hit him 1 for 69. Thank you.
Bad.
Bruh.
Ramp. Zach, behind me.
You want bench?
Bruh. Bruh.
I'm gonna go back to using the.
What callout is that, Armando?
It's the CT sided map.
Oh my
Why
god.
not?
What's wrong with your voice?
One guy outside, actually.
Bruh. Bruh.
Of course, fuck me.
Bruh.
You're right. Yeah.
Bruh.
Oh. On the out there, brain.
Bruh.
One's dead. You got him in seal, you going in?
Oh, one
Bruh.
pass.
By the vent.
One at least.
See, one
Non-ramp.
pass.
Two.
Bruh.
Bomb dropped outside in garage, There's 3 of them.
Missed my shot, damn it. Right next to him.
Bruh. Bruh.
Got shoes, motherfucker.
I don't know which one, man.
Flash. 2 flashes. They're outside, top, everywhere. And there's no point, I'm gonna fucking get ripped. Then let's see.
Bruh. Bruh.
Nice.
No, it's a flash.
Bruh.
The Phantom, exterior like fish eggs,
What's the point? Damn it, bro. 78 and
Holy shit.
Bruh.
Honda's just playing for kills, bro.
Bruh.
Not even doing that.
look, he didn't even
my gosh,
fucking
no.
shoot the
Ramps.
dude.
That's
I got
actually
it.
Bruh.
There you go, there you go.
They're both sides of you.
And they're-
Okay.
yeah.
Bruh.
Now one to your right. It's not.
What the fuck? I'm fucked.
We got 6 bullets.
Bruh.
Okay?
Nah, that's I can't.
Dang.
It's smoked outside.
Alright, what are we doing?
Oh, I didn't
I'll
buy
go
it.
through how to see
Hold
the squeaky.
Bruh.
I shot straight on this dude.
Oh, behind me.
I didn't have anything.
Someone's in respawn.
I said he was left. Yeah, he's still there.
Oh, I got killed by fire.
Bruh.
And he's to the right. Guys are.
Yeah, Zach, that was the last guy left.
Oh.
That was good. Good game, Braden. Good game, Zach and Noah.
Everybody but Armando.
It's because you got off and it wasn't showing you.
So, because all of you except for Braden when they.
Armando, what is wrong with
What?
your mic?
Is this dude in a helicopter or something? Fucking talking through the police comms, bro.